Python Dictionary Comprehension. Is it possible to create a dictionary comprehension in Python for the keys? Without list comprehensions, you can use something like this. We can shorten this to a list comprehension, L equals n for n in range 1, 11. However, say I want to set a dictionary's keys to the same value. I can do. I've tried this. However, I get a syntax error on the for. In addition, I don't need this part, but just wondering, can you set a dictionary's keys to a bunch of different values, like this? Is this possible with a dictionary comprehension? This also raises a syntax error on the for.
There are dictionary comprehensions in Python 2.7+, but they don't work quite the way you're trying. Like a list comprehension, they create a new dictionary. You can't use them to add keys to an existing dictionary. Also, you have to specify the keys and values, although of course you can specify a dummy value if you like. If you want to set them all to true. What you seem to be asking for is a way to set multiple keys at once on an existing dictionary. There's no direct shortcut for that. You can either loop like you already showed, or you could use a dictionary comprehension to create a new dict with the new values, and then do oldDict.update newDict to merge the new values into the old dict.
You can use the dict.fromKeys class method. This is the fastest way to create a dictionary where all the keys map to the same value. But do not use this with mutable objects. If you don't actually need to initialize all the keys, a default dict might be useful as well. To answer the second part, a dict comprehension is just what you need. You probably shouldn't do this, but you could also create a subclass of dict which works somewhat like a default dict if you override _missing_.
I really like the Nielsen comment, since if you have a two iterables, one that corresponds to the keys and the other the values, you can also do the following. Giving T equals A, 1, B, 2, C, 3.
If you want to see more, please consider